Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to add global entry card to Apple Wallet, step by step, digital ID and wallet setup guide. Method 1. Use the Global Entry mobile app. Step 1. Download and install the Global Entry mobile app on your iPhone. Step 2. Open the app and sign in with your Trusted Traveler Program TTP account. Step 3. Complete any required identity verification. Step 4. Access your TTP Pass ID and travel information within the app. Step 5. Use the app to quickly access your global entry details when needed. Method 2. Add your US passport to Apple Wallet as a digital ID. Step 1. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap the plus button in the top right corner. Step 3. Select driver's license or ID cards. Step 4. Tap digital ID. Step 5. Choose US passport. Step 6. Scan the photo page of your passport. Step 7. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan the passport chip and verify your identity. Step 8. Wait for verification to complete. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.